Here's the valve manifold. Here's the Wi-Fi timer. I connected onto there with a shutoff and a hose spigot into the valve manifold with the filter and the master valve. Those are open because those are these, which I've color coded using these selection of electrical coloring tape. And I color coded per their wires in the timer where they are because let's see if I can't show you because I packaged them all up, but inside the timer I can't do it with one hand. Take the plate off and you can see the colors of the wires are matching in the bundle of the wires, and so I've got these every other tile that I've picked up, and I've picked up all the tiles, and so you've got all the colors so you know which station you're on, going all the way to the end of the line. So we're going to put planters that rained and it was windy, so the tape came up off the pavers, but I picked up all the pavers and put on the colors, and then got the end caps. Oh gosh, so you can flush them out when you just unscrew the end cap and then run the line, and it'll flush out any dirt or debris, as they say, and then so they're all color coded. Isn't that special? And here is the view in New York City. You've got the, what bridge is that? The Manhattan Bridge right there with its iconic metal clackety train structure that they run the metal tracks and the metal trains over the metal bridge. And there's some industrial, there's ferry boats that come right up to here, which is pretty cool. And this is the Factorial World Trade Center, just off the view spot here. It's actually quite lovely. They've been parkifying the entire coastline here. But we're working. We're not watching the view. Look at this view. Color-coded awesomeness here, and vehicle awesomeness. So there's like a place to sit down here next to the water, and the seagulls and old pier block things, and I don't know what this gold building is. And there's the is that it? The Empire State Building. Is that it? Yeah, there it is. The Empire State Building. Chrysler building is over there, and that's kind of a weird one. I don't know what that is. And that goes way down there. Alright, so there's your view. We're in Greenpoint, Brooklyn, enjoying the irrigation. Alright, if you need irrigation, we're doing it.